Welcome to Learn Simply. Today we will discuss about phrases. Phrase is a group of words, functions as meaningful part or unit within a clause or a sentence is called phrase. Let's go through types of phrases. The first one, noun phrase. A noun phrase contains a noun as a headword and related words such as determiners like the, her, a, and modifiers which modify that noun. It serves as a noun within a sentence. A prepositional phrase contains a preposition, an object of the preposition, pronoun or noun, and related modifiers. It mostly starts with a preposition and ends with an object of a preposition. It serves as an adjective or adverb within a sentence. An adjective phrase works as an adjective within a sentence. It contains an adjective, some relevant determiners and modifiers. A word that modifies a noun or pronoun. The function of this phrase is to work as a verb, noun, preposition, adverb, or an adjective. The role of the phrase in writing depends on its construction. Adverb phrase. It works as an adverb within a sentence. It contains an adverb and other grammatical units such as verb, noun, preposition, and some modifiers. Verb phrase. It consists of the main verb and auxiliaries of the helping verbs within a sentence. According to the transformational generative grammar, verb phrases may contain the main verb, auxiliaries, modifiers, and complements. It could refer to the whole predicate of a sentence. An infinitive phrase contains an infinitive, which is a combination of to plus simple verb form with or without other words and modifiers associated with that infinitive. It always works as a noun, adjective, or adverb within a sentence. Gerund phrase contains a gerund, combination of verb plus ing, other words and modifiers associated with that gerund. In a sentence, it functions as a noun. Participle phrase contain a present participle which is verb plus ing and past participle, modifiers or other associated words. They are separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. A participle phrases act as an adjective within a sentence. Absolute phrase consists of a noun, pronoun, participle and associated modifiers. They are also known as nominative phrases. They modify or provide information about an entire sentence. Absolute phrases look like clauses, yet they lack a true finite verb. They are separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. In next tutorial video, you will learn about the definition of number and types. Here we are not talking about the numerical numbers 1, 2, 3. Here number means grammatical form. For detailed explanation with notes and for other tutorial videos, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on bell icon to keep yourself updated with our latest upcoming new tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends and family.